Exploring the world. My friends love going on trips around the world. They also love to tell me about their trips. Let's see what countries my friends are in.
I'm in Kanalға in Thailand. It's quite warm here. Today, we're going sightseeing in a long-tail boat. The locals use these banana-shaped boats to travel around the island. It's more convenient than taking a bus, and you have the chance to see more things. I can't wait.
I am in Venice, Italy with my family. Today, we went on a ride in a gondola. It is an excellent way to see this beautiful city. The tour sets off from Campo Santa Maria del Giglio and heads through San Marco and Castello. The friendly gondoliers sing traditional Italian songs as you travel up and down the canals and pass through old buildings. It's an experience of a lifetime.
I arrived in China 2 days ago and I'm having a brilliant time. I got in a rickshaw and went on a tour of Beijing's streets. You can actually ask your driver to stop anywhere you like if you want to take a look around. Prices aren't too high either. You should try it if you ever go to China.
Wow! My friends are all over the world. I wish I could travel with them. Where would you like to go?